Hello everybody, I'm Imlal Sapota. I'm from Best PT Center. Friends, in today's lesson, I'm going to discuss how to score high marks in PT speaking or the ways to score high marks in PT speaking. It is known to all that PT speaking covers 90 marks in PT, and in PT there are 5 important items that read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, rate lecture, and answer short question. It is known to all that PT speaking covers 90 marks in PT, and it is integrated testing system, so marks is contributed from one section to another section. From PT speaking, read aloud, marks is contributed to reading and speaking as well. And then repeat sentence, it is for speaking and listening. Describe image only for speaking, where as retail lecture, speaking and listening. And the short question, speaking and listening. So how to approach this question? This question, it's very important question here. How to approach means how to tackle this question in the test. So in PT speaking, two enabling skills are checked. They are oral fluency, pronunciation, and content as well. And oral fluency and pronunciation are the main part of the PT speaking. So content is important for retail lecture, repeat sentence, and answer short question as well. So how can you boost our marks in PT speaking? For an applicant Indian student, you can speak in a moderate pace. If you speak too fast, computer algorithm may not catch your voice. While read aloud, try to maintain the moderate pace. That's very important here. My students, they achieve high marks in PT speaking. Most of them achieve around 90 in PT speaking, and some of they have already scored 90 in PT. So how they have scored in 90 in PT, I'm going to elaborate here. So at first you need to maintain your oral fluency. What is oral fluency? Oral fluency means smooth, effortless speaking. If you speak smoothly, if you read aloud, if you read the text smoothly, then you can score high marks in PT speaking. So you should not have any kind of unnecessary pauses while speaking, and in repeat sentence also in similar in the other part as well. So these are the very important items in PT speaking. So maintain your oral fluency, very important. And next is pronunciation. Pronunciation covers 90 marks in PT speaking. Pronunciation means you need to speak the word clearly. If you speak the word clearly, definitely you can score high marks in PT speaking. So while speaking, try to give stress. Suppose if there is communication. If you say communication, you can score high marks in pronunciation. So these are the items helpful for PT speaking, and there are other items as well. There you need to give proper stress while speaking. That's very important. And next, never give gaps in sentences. Some students, they have a habit of giving gap while read aloud or repeating sentence. That's definitely caught your mark. So never hesitate, never give gap in sentences. And next thing, you need to speak smoothly. And another word I can say that try to be spontaneous. That's very important. Try to be spontaneous. If you are spontaneous enough, you can score high marks in PT speaking. Some students understand that speaking fast is oral fluency. That is not. Oral fluency means you need to speak some phrases. You need to speak some chunk of the passage. Some chunk of the passage. That's very important. So don't read so fast. If you read so fast, you don't score high marks in PT speaking. So while reading, please maintain your oral fluency. Suppose in read aloud, domestication is an evolutionary rather than a political development. They were more likely to survive and prosper in an alliance with the humans than on their own. Humans provided the animals with food and protection, in exchange for which the animals provided the humans their milk and eggs and their flesh. Speak at moderate pace. In next part, repeat sentence. I know how to solve the problems, but I have been asked not to tell you. So please speak clearly. Be clear enough. And the image shows the information about the dot in the x-axis, y-axis, according to image and in conclusion. So please, you need to be smooth there as well. In this lecture, the speaker was discussing about there is also you need to speak properly and try to write down a phrase of the sentence or passage. That's very important. And short question, it is easiest part. It is a GK based question, so you need to correct the answer to score high marks in PT speaking. So in order to achieve high marks in PT speaking, we need to maintain two most important things which you have already understood. their oral fluency and pronunciation. If you maintain the oral fluency and pronunciation, you can score high in PT speaking. Okay friend, how is my video? Please do like, comment and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for visiting my channel.